A review Nintendo Switch OLED. Nintendo Switch OLED is a welcome upgrade, but it remains content to please rather than wow. With the original hybrid design of the Switch, it has an inherently flawed design, docket and the benefits of the new 7-inch display, redesigned kickstand, and enhanced speakers are lost. In the moment you turn on the Nintendo Switch OLED, the stunning 7-inch screen makes a strong first impression thanks to its super slim bezels. However, it's not just the display that makes an impression. The console's enhanced speakers, discreetly situated beneath its main attraction, are noticeable as well. The system stand is also impressive, and it significantly improves upon the original Switch's flimsy plastic stand, which could only barely hold the console upright. It's a major improvement for users using the console in tabletop mode, and elevates the console's overall craftsmanship. Furthermore, it comes with 64 GB of internal storage, which is twice as much as the Nintendo Switch and Nintendo Switch Lite. Fortunately, the console also comes with a microSD slot, so you can always add more storage if needed. This is the fourth iteration of Nintendo's home console, and it is due for release on October 8, 2021. It will cost $349.99, £309.99, $539.95, which is slightly more than the original Nintendo Switch, which sells for $299.99, £259.99, $469.95, and it is obviously a bigger investment than the Nintendo Switch Lite, which costs $199.99, £199.99, $329.95. Though the Nintendo Switch OLED model is more expensive, the upgrade comes with a larger 7-inch OLED display, enhanced speakers, double the internal storage and a wider kickstand. There is also a slightly improved dock that features a LAN port for more stable online play. The Nintendo Switch OLED displays a 7-inch OLED display, which makes for an impressive visual impact despite being only 0.8 inches larger than the original Switch's 6.2-inch screen. As a result, the Switch OLED is slightly larger than its predecessor. It measures 9.5 by 0.55 by 4 inches, WXDXH, but it still feels familiar in the hands. It weighs 422 grams with the Joy-Con attached, which is roughly 22 grams more than the Nintendo Switch.de. The box contains the usual Nintendo Switch accessories, 2 Joy-Con controllers, a pair of Joy-Con straps, and a Joy-Con grip. Furthermore, the Nintendo Switch OLED's enhanced speakers are even more satisfying when you're playing in tabletop mode. We found that our favorite games sounded punchy and clear without any distortion at higher volumes, which is essential if you don't have access to a pair of headphones. Despite the Switch OLED's limited resolution, Nintendo's new handheld model shines in handheld mode thanks to its 7-inch OLED screen. Fast-paced games such as Super Smash Bros. Ultimate benefit from the high-contrast display, while titles such as Mario Kart 8 Deluxe are enriched by its high-contrast display. For some, the new high-contrast display will at least make games look nicer, and for others, it would be more than enough. Battery life is comparable to the Nintendo Switch 2019 version, so you can expect anywhere between 4.5 hours and 9 hours, depending on the game you play. The Switch's library of games is jam-packed with some genuinely timeless classics, like The Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild, Super Mario Odyssey, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, Animal Crossing, New Horizons, and Super Smash Bros. The Switch is not just an appealing prospect because of its first-party lineup, it is also home to fantastic indie games such as Hades, Celeste, and Spelunky 2. Many of these titles are much more enjoyable to play away from the television. You will find a game suited for almost every player's taste. There are still more blockbusters titles to come, including Breath of the Wild 2, Pokémon Legends, Arceus, and Splatoon 3.